Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to cancel or delete your Seller Central account. Let's get into it. If you follow along on my screen, I'll show you how to cancel or delete your Amazon Seller Central account. If you've decided to stop selling on Amazon or need to close your account for any reason, it's important to follow the correct procedure to ensure everything is properly handled. First, log into your Seller Central account. Navigate to the Settings menu at the top right corner of the screen and select Account Info. On the Account Info page, you'll see various sections. Locate the Account Management section and click on that link. Here, you'll find the option to close your account. Click on this link to start the process. Amazon will ask you to confirm your decision. You need to review and address any pending orders, returns, or unresolved issues before proceeding. Ensure that all transactions are complete and there are no outstanding issues. Once you've confirmed everything, click the Request Account Closure button. Amazon will process your request and send you a confirmation email. Please note that this action is irreversible, so double-check that you want to delete your account before proceeding. If you're considering taking a break and might return in the future, you might want to downgrade to an individual seller account instead. This allows you to keep your seller history and reactivate your account when you're ready. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching.